For this year, Field Office Caraga has crafted its regional thrust and directives, dubbed as ROARs, in 2014. The ROARs represents the desired outcomes of the field office for the year: resilient families and communities against poverty and disasters, operational and institutionalized systems and processes, appropriate and coordinated social protection and services continually delivered, renewed energies, commitments, and enhanced capabilities and capacities, scaled up structures and strategies to adapt the new normal. For these outcomes to be realized, the detailed operational plan was crafted. Localizing the national thrust and directives will ensure that the regional goal of raising the status of 19,500 Pantawid Pamilya beneficiaries is achieved. The framework was crafted that will serve as the blueprint in achieving the desired impacts and objectives for the year. For 2014, Caraga has the following broad stroke commitments. Number 1. Raise the status of 19,500 Pantawid Pamilya families to self-sufficiency level by the end of 2014. Number 2. Increase the number of NHTSPR identified poor families covered by at least 2 SWD programs from 139,381 to 200,000 by the end of 2014. Number 3. Raise the level of functionality of 10 LGUs from 30 to 50% by the end of 2014. As to date, the field office has strengthened its internal and external convergence by RDCW involving 16 national line agencies. These agencies converged and committed to raise the level of well-being of 19,500 Pantawid Pamilya beneficiaries to self-sufficiency level utilizing the results of SWI. A Memorandum of Understanding was crafted and signed between DSWD and 16 NGAs. Their distinct capabilities, resources, infrastructures, and programs to reduce poverty result to effective implementation of government efforts on poverty alleviation.
This is a very good strategy wherein there is a coordination among the various offices, the 16 converging offices.
100% of the LGUs have crafted their city municipal transition plans, also completed the city municipal OPCRs. Pantawid Pamilya families and individuals were engaged in profitable and productive activities. 10,625 individuals were trained on basic livelihood skills and tech-voc trainings. 6,881 SK beneficiaries were given Capital Seed Fund, and 49 individuals were employed from January to June. Provision of DSWD programs and services are continuously done. The following are the accomplishments. The NHTU has developed a system to track the programs and services provided to the identified poor families or households. Listahanan has identified 181,480 poor families all over Caraga region having access by at least 2 SWD programs and services provided by the department and other partner agencies like PhilHealth and DOH. Out of 78 LGUs in the region, 63 of them have already forged MOA with Listahanan. The Caraga Regional Development Council has approved the resolution to utilize the NHTSPR data. 10 LSWDOs were assessed based on AO7 tool to have 30% functionality rating, and Field Office Caraga targeted to raise it to 50%. To date, 15 LSWDOs, namely San Francisco, Butuan City, Cabadbaran City, Carmen, Bayugan City, Tubay, Buena Vista, Las Nieves, Rosario, Loreto, Habonga, Bunawan, Basilisa, Caggianao, and Agusan del Sur had increased their functionality to 50%. Field Office was challenged in the aspect of readiness of the LSWDOs to comply with the standards of functional LSWDOs. With this, the plan of intervention was crafted and monitored.
We have several programs with our governor in which we use the listahan in getting the names of the client.